everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did me another venison recipe. Had some ground venison and I wanted to stuff it, kind of like, the Juicy Lucy deal. So I got me some cheese, threw in the center of one and stuffed away. They're about 1/4 pound patties. So I formed them out with my little patty maker, stuffed it with the cheese, then formed my patty back over each other so the cheese to be stuffed. A little Hamburger Seasoning that I have is what I use to season them with, and then I threw them in a lightly greased pan and seared them off, and then I threw some bread in the oven to have a little toaster kind of deal. Did it on broil for a few minutes each side, flip it around, watch it so you don't burn up your bread. Then I used my kicking coffee Bbq sauce, some pickled onions, and there you go. Little stuffed venison burger, toaster, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.